No, what are we making today? Another pumpkin thing. I think you can actually come on.
Over there.
Pumpkin pie.
We pick it up and do.
Yeah.
We do it on myself.
All right, so we've already got the oven preheated to 350, and for our pie crust, we're using a pre-made pie crust. I always use this one, vegan and gluten-free, wholly gluten-free, dedicated bakehouse by Wholly Wholesome, allergy-friendly. I get it at Wegmans, but frozen, and then you let it thaw for 10 minutes. I just think it's easier whenever I make pie crust, it just crumbles.
Mama,
I never make it right.
Mommy.
Talk to you. Sorry. So we're using that pie crust. We're gonna mix everything in here and then pour it in the pie crust, okay? All right. Oh, well, we're not ready for that. We have to do the ingredients first. All right. Here's the pumpkin. You wanna use this spoon?
Use this one.
That one? That could take a while.
See? See?
Yeah. You work on that. And I'll work on so a can of pumpkin and then a can of coconut cream. I am talking to you. We're using your can of pumpkin and Mommy's can of coconut cream.
Mama,
Yeah?
we're not doing it.
What aren't you doing? You're doing great. I think I was supposed to mix this before. Shake it.
Us need it more.
Yeah, we need that whole can.
We fry it?
I don't know that you would really like it, but
Oh.
yeah. Okay, so there's the coconut cream. So we are making this vegan. Well, do you want to use this big spoon, honey? Look at, ready? Big scoop. Little scoop. Whoops. No, that's all right, babe. Another little. Now Mommy does big. I'm sorry, I know that the is annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sound a big.
Whoa. Do you think that you can dump the pumpkin in?
Yeah.
Yeah, what if you try that? What if, you hold it like that and then I'll go like this. Okay, let's see. How much more do we have?
No.
We're definitely going to need the big spoon.
Yeah, I need big.
You gotta go in your wash. I'll pick you up in 1 minute, pigs. I'll get you snacks.
Stop.
Okay, I'm back. Let's do, you need tissue and some hand wiping.
Oh, you're wiping too. Let me use my scissors.
Okay.
This
Okay.
bowl is good.
That's your bowl, right?
My bowl?
Your bowl.
I like this sauce in my bowl.
Sorry, folks. Oh. Let's wait on the spices. Okay, so we've mixed our pumpkin.
Yep.
We've mixed our coconut cream. Next is our brown sugar. Here you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are not ready for that. Brown sugar. You dump the brown sugar.
Wait.
Good job. All right. And then we do cinnamon.
No, let me chop it.
Okay.
Pieces.
I always go a little bit over on the spices because That's what gives it its flavor, I feel like, right, Noah?
Yeah.
So that's the cinnamon.
Oh, man.
Ginger's next. Do you want to hand me the next one?
Yeah.
The next spice?
Huh?
The next spice?
This one?
Yeah. What's
No,
that?
no.
That's the nutmeg. So we can do that one. Yeah, you can,
Me do this.
yeah, you can do that.
Hey, no more.
Okay, I'll get a little more.
Let's have loud.
Ginger. That's a lot of, what's that one? Your hand's covering the, oops. Nope, that's good. Whoop. What was that?
Oh.
Ground cloves.
Let's need that.
Oh, and we only needed an eighth of that. Excellent. Okay, nutmeg. Okay, that's good. Well, that's the pumpkin. We always also add a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. You can do a little more shake of that.
Yeah. Oh.
And then we need,
In here.
oh, and then you'll pour it in there.
Oh,
Good job.
okay. Oh, fishy.
So the vegan one is always kind of tricky. It always, you want to hold this?
Yeah.
It took me so long to find the perfect vegan pumpkin pie. You can dump that. This one's the best that I found. What happened?
That's on me.
Oh,
Mix it.
and mix it. Job. We'll watch. Yep, watch those fingers. This button. Too fast. 1, 2. Keeping it sanitary today.
Oh.
Keep it down in there. Do it all sides. All right. Off. So you can blend it or you can whisk it. We probably should have just whisked it, huh?
Mix it.
Whisk, like with your whisk.
My mix.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you? Oh,
Oh,
baby.
Eli snack.
Mix it. Oh,
Okay.
use this one.
Well, I think we're good now. And now we're gonna pour it into our pie crust, and then we just bake it for an hour. Super easy today. That is the one we bake. All right, so
This one make cake?
no, that one I think is, I don't know. Dada knows. That one is for when we need bread, like when we make our cinnamon rolls.
Let's have this.
That one just like mixes things, I think. I'll have to look it up. You want to put it on?
Let's have it.
Do you want to try the pie?
Yeah.
Okay. So
What's on there?
it's pumpkin pie, and I forgot we're trying it the next day because I forgot the pumpkin pie has to sit overnight, and it doesn't really look like it cured.
That's it.
So maybe we did something wrong.
We like pumpkin pie.
You like pumpkin pie?
Yeah. Oh no! Look at that!
Uh-oh. Someone got water on the ground, huh? All right, well, here you go. What do you think?
Good.
What?
Good.
Dirt?
I like it.
Oh, you like it?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Only half plate.
Yeah, you can have it.
Me?
Yeah, for you.
Both have them.
Thank you.
Like me, top it pieces of.
Yeah.
What's this?
It's not perfect, but it's not perfect, but it's something.
Is that perfect?
Yeah, not perfect.
Yeah, both nice.
It is perfect. I feel like I should let you guys know it did end up setting, and it tastes very delicious, even with the extra cloves.